How to choose the best WordPress hosting for you. First, determine your needs. Are you looking to host single or multiple websites? Does someone pre-install WordPress, or should I do it for myself? Is there help available for migrating my site to WordPress? Do I need the ability to have a staging site or a dev site? Is email included in the plan? Second, determine the needs of your site. Does your site need the ability to handle heavy traffic? Does your site need a reserved amount of resources from the server? Is there a need for image compression for your site? Is constant monitoring needed for your website? Third, pricing or cost for hosting website. The cost of hosting depends on quality of support and server health. Even though cost is essential, do not go for cheap hosting provider to save money. Go for a premium plan if you plan to run a serious online store. Fourth, performance and speed. Your site's performance and load speed depend on RAM, disk space, and CPUs used by the hosting provider. Do not opt for unlimited space, but count on transfer speed provided. Fifth, features provided. To make the hosting plan more flexible, just select the features needed for your site. Always choose a host who can always accommodate all your site needs like fast server, enough disk space and bandwidth. Sixth, support provided. If you are using it for the first time, you need customer service or support for WordPress installation, migration, backups, restoration, and security. All the hosting providers give 24/7 live customer support via telephone, mail, or support forms. Hosting options available. Shared hosting option. Virtual private server. Dedicated server hosting. Managed WordPress hosting. Are you a business or an individual looking for help setting up your WordPress website? In that case, our professionals at Ayatas Technologies can guide you for free. Call or contact us for more details, or hit the chat button.